welcome to this video. I'm so excited to share with you how to edit your videos. This could be a video for your intro to online teaching program. It could be your YouTube video. It could be a video for your friends, a photo collage, whatever it is that you want. I'm going to show you how to use Imovie for Mac users. How to edit your videos and make them really cool. So this is more of like an intro part, and if you want a part 2 with more details and music and all that good stuff, put it down in the comments down below and I will definitely share that with you. But definitely stay to the end so I can show you exactly how to upload this video into your computer. If you are a Mac user and you can use iMovie, then this video is for you. So I'm going to be editing a video right now. So let's hit create new. So I want to be in the projects and hit create new. Oh, and there we go. I want to do a movie. I'm not doing a trailer. And when it first pops up, this is what it looks like. I do need to drop in my videos that I've made. So I use QuickTime Player to record my screen if that is helpful for you. And I have a lot of things open right now, I know. Let me see if I can get my recordings. So okay, so I think I found the recordings that I want. Now if you see here on my screen over here, I keep all of these things over here on the right always because I always drag them into my YouTube videos. So if I need a YouTube symbol, my thumbs up symbol, subscribe button, intros, outros, all that good stuff, I just keep them over there. So let me bring back my iMovie. I'm going to take these videos, I'm going to drag them over. And I'm adding them into the key right here. Okay, so now I will record myself and put a video in here as well, just like introing the video saying, hey, what's up? Like this is what the video is about, blah, blah, blah. And then I did do my outro already within this video, which sometimes I like to do in person. Sometimes I just throw it in there because I'm already like going. But I will put my outro here. So let's go ahead and put my outro. An outro is just the ending of the video, reminding people to like subscribe. So let me have you watch that for a second so you can see. So it has added music and all that good stuff. And then these two squares will have YouTube videos in it for people to click on. Okay, so I made this using CANVA. Super easy, and I can show you exactly how to do that. Just drop it down in the comments below. If you're like, hey, how do I make an outro video? I can show you how to do that. All right, I don't know if these are in order. So let me see. I think this one, it needs to be swapped out. So all I do is click and drag here. It is a very easy program to use, but I don't have my intro here, so let's just start from here. Ready? I'm going to click on play. Show you how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is a great education. So I'm giving my intro, and I'm going to show people how to use Kahoot. So now what I like to do is, here's my 3 clips. I'm not going to be editing my outro. That's going to stay the way it is. But these 2 videos, on the other hand, I am going to have to come in and potentially take out any pauses or sneezes or kids screaming in the background, things like that. So in order to do that, I like to use over here on the top right. I wish I could get my mouse over here. It would be a little bit easier for you guys to see. I use Pro Mouse. It's just a downloaded app. Okay, so over here in the settings, if I take this bar and drag it over, see how it extends my video? It is a lot easier for me to see where I need to split up my video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to listen, and then I will show you how to split videos in half. So if for example, you're recording and all of a sudden you have a sneeze coming along, stop talking, let yourself sneeze, and then continue. Because when you come in to hear the editor, you can take out all that good stuff. So don't like play, record, and then stop, and then play, record, and stop. I actually recommend just playing and making an entire video first, and then you can go edit out all the junk that you don't want, okay? Because if you have all these little mini clips and putting them in, it's going to take like a lot longer, in my opinion. So I would just record one whole long thing and then take out the junk. All right, so let's listen for a second and see when I need to actually take a break here. Show you how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is a great educational website for in-classroom teachers or online teachers. It is a way for you to use things that people have already made, or you can completely customize your own little quiz. Okay, let's pretend I wanted to stop there. Okay, let's pretend I wanted to cut something out, because I think that this video, I think I did it pretty fluidly, so I might not need to do a lot of edits. So let me just pause there. What I'm going to do, like if I needed to break this apart and delete something, I'm going to come up here and do modify and hit split clip. What that did is it gives me a break in the clip, okay? So now, if I had to delete my next part coming, it's much easier to do because I want to save this part. I don't want to touch these 14.4 seconds. These are perfect. I want to leave it. I'm not going to touch it. So now, I come over here. Let's play again. So, let me show you how to use Kahoot. So, when you go to Kahoot.com, you'll see this page. This is your home page. Okay, now let's pretend I said, oh, I don't like any of that. I'm going to go to modify, split clip, and let's pretend that 7 seconds, maybe I sneezed in there and I was like, oh no, I do not want that. All I do is click and hit my delete button on my keyboard. Now, you heard me. I didn't make any mistakes. I wasn't sneezing, so I'm not going to delete it, but I'm showing you. All you have to do is delete that out, or you could actually take this, pick it up, and move it if you wanted it somewhere else. And then that other clip slides right over, okay? So it's pretty basic on how to edit, but you can take out that sneeze and then continue on. Let's see what's next. And then you can either sign up if you've never used it. Okay, so I'm giving instructions, right? Like I said, I'm pretty positive I don't really have many mistakes in this video, but let's see how cohesively this goes together. Word Kahoot, you can go back to the main screen. I'll show you how you can make your own Kahoot. So, all right, so I'm going to tell people how to make my own Kahoot now. So I've kind of dragged on at the end here, so I'm going to actually show you how to delete something. Let's just listen so I can go to the right part. When you come over here, let's go back to the main screen. If you just click on this purple word Kahoot, you can go back to the main screen. All right, so I'm telling you how to get back to the main screen. I'm going to split this part because I'm pretty sure this end is junk and I'm going to want to get rid of it. Let's listen. Yeah. If you can tell down here too, do you see how there's no lines coming up? It's a flat line. See how over here there's that light blue? That shows that I'm speaking. So anytime you see this flat line, it means I'm not talking. There's nothing going on. So you can pretty much know for sure. You can just delete this all the way. So I'm going to click this now. See how it's highlighted in yellow? Click it. Delete. Gone. I don't need that part of the video. It's gone. Bye-bye. See ya. Woohoo. Okay. Now, I think this start is a little bit shaky. Let's try. Kahoot. When you're on Kahoot. All right, yeah, so I don't want that word Kahoot there. Let's try. Kahoot, you can go back to the main screen. Kahoot. I don't want that there. That's weird. So let's split the clip. I'm going to play it here just to make sure. When you're on Kahoot. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that because that's just a weird me saying Kahoot. When you're on Kahoot, you want to hit this blue button on the top right that says Create. All right, let's check that out again. When you're on Kahoot, you want... I'm going to modify and split that clip because I think that part is unnecessary. Let me move it over here for a second. See how these flow together. Just click on this purple word Kahoot. You can go back to the main screen. Want to hit this blue button on the top right that says Create. Okay, so I think that's much better. I'm going to take this little piece here, highlight it. I just clicked and dragged my mouse to highlight it up there. Delete. I don't need that. That doesn't make sense. All right, and I'm going to go through here, and then I show you how to use Kahoot. Let's hear this part. Each other's Kahoots, test them out, give each other some feedback if we wanted. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I really hope you enjoyed. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you like this video... there we go. There's my key. If you like this video. So now I'm going to take my thumbs up. I just screenshotted this from a picture. Come over here, drag it right into the program. Now, that would be obnoxious, right? If I was watching and then all of a sudden that took over, I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here where it says cutaway, and I'm going to say picture in picture. Now it makes it nice and small. And I want to actually make it, oh, here we go. This little square over here. I'm going to fit the whole thing. Now, when I come over here, I hit play. If you liked this video and thought it was... So here's my thumbs up. I might want to move this too. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Okay, there we go. I had to click on these two boxes. I forgot. It's been a while. Okay, so maybe I want to take this thumbs up and make it a little bit bigger because I want them to say thumbs up, right? Cool. Now I'm going to listen. Value, definitely think about hitting that subscribe. Oh, now I'm talking about subscribe. Click, drag, bring that subscribe button over right to my line. Okay, let's hear. Let me make sure I put it in the right spot. Value, definitely think about hitting that subscribe button. Definitely. All right, now I'm going to make that fit. Then I'm going to make it picture in picture. There we go. My subscribe button is here now. So I want to make sure. See, it's better when it's me because then I can point to these things on the screen. So I do recommend it being you for your outro, but that's okay. Now this is a little bit too long. I want it to not extend, so I'm going to click and drag and just have it for those little points. Seriously, it is that easy. Now I know I went super fast, but you have this video to stop and pause and do it yourself as many times as you need to in order to learn it. But I really hope that this is super helpful to show you how to edit videos. Now say I wanted to make this smaller. I just click that thing over here in the top right again. It goes small. I can see all the clips that I have. One more thing I want to show you too before I go, actually. Let me extend this a little bit more. I want to go over here and show you how to add audio because I like to make a little like ding song when these things pop up because it helps alert the listener that something's popping up on the screen. So I'm going to go to audio. I don't think it's bottle cork. I could do bottle cork. I like to do the bell transition. Yeah, I like to do that. So I'm going to click. Oh, of course, it's going to be up here. Okay. All I did was I clicked on that and I dragged it down. Let's see if it matches. Please let me know if you liked this video and thought it was nice. Pretty good, I think. All right, I'm going to take this now. Click and drag. I like to match it right up. See how it just automatically bounces down there? I didn't do that. I like to line it up with these, and then it bounces down. So let's see again. Hitting that subscribe button. Definitely hit that thumbs up. Bing. Okay, perfect. I like it. Okay. Let's go to the top right over here where this little share button is. And depending how you want to export it, you can do an email, save your current frame only, you export your file, or you can go right to YouTube or Facebook. I like to click export file, and then I can title it, and I can change whatever I need to change, and then I hit next, and I can upload it to my computer. So pretty basic, just follow the prompts in order to upload it the way you'd like. Even if you're doing like a teacher intro video, I would recommend uploading it to a YouTube channel. That way it's easier to just like send the file over to your online teaching program. But if you have any questions about that, definitely let me know. Leave them in the comments or reach out to me personally and I can help you with that. This is a pretty basic, simple video. That's why I feel like the training on this is better because you can see how basic it is. Because if you are doing this for any YouTube video, or if you are applying to be an online teacher and you're trying to do your intro video, this is a good way to do it too. You can just put your clips in and edit it. So this is a super basic editing video, but I really hope that it was helpful for you. So just definitely let me know in the comments if it was. If you have any questions about it, definitely let me know there too. Imovie to edit your video, and I was not talking to the camera the entire time. There we go, Michelle.